start giving you a quick tutorial of the 2011 and 2017 Macan dome light removal. This is pretty much what your dome light would look like after you remove the trim pieces that you need in order to install the lights. First you have to remove this piece, this black piece that covers the surrounding of the dome light. First you have to remove the back by putting your finger here, or using some sort of tool to be able to remove that part of the dome. Then you have to remove these little tabs so slightly and carefully so you don't break them. Then you're going to be removing this plastic piece, which is essentially the light itself, from the housing. First you have to be able to pry open these tabs right here. There's 4 of them, so be careful. Then you'll have these little pieces all around. Make sure you don't break them as you pry them open. Then you have your lights right here. You just simply remove it with your fingers and then replace them for LEDs. This is what the lights look like on each side. You just remove them with your fingers, just like that, and you pull them out. Now, this light has some sort of LED light transmitter of some sort that goes all the way around, so it's only 2 bulbs. And then you have your last piece that goes around it, and it covers the entire LED light. And it looks just like well, this LED light looks like the perfect vlogging camera also. Well, it looks like this LED light is also the perfect light for vlogging. But this concludes our tutorial.